In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a ChatGPT completion to your workflow and produce reliable results without confusion. First, open your scenario. Think of your scenario as the workspace where your automation lives. Make sure you're in the correct project and that any upstream data you plan to pass into the prompt is available, so the test run later makes sense. Next, click the plus button to add a new module to your flow. This is how you insert a new action or service into the scenario. In the search field, type OpenAI or ChatGPT to locate the integration. When it appears, select it. From the available actions, choose Create a Completion. This action asks the model to generate text based on your instructions, and it's ideal for summaries, drafts, answers, and transformations. Click Add Connection to securely link your account. You'll be prompted for an API key. Keep this credential private and never share it in screenshots or recordings. Paste your API key into the connection field. If there's an option to name the connection, use a clear label so you can recognize it later. Confirm to establish the connection. Now, enter your prompt. Write it as clearly as possible. Provide context, constraints, and the desired format. If your scenario supplies dynamic data, insert those fields so the prompt adapts at runtime. Clarity here saves you from repeated tweaks later. Set your parameters. Choose the model if applicable, then adjust temperature for creativity versus consistency. Lower values like 0.2 lean predictable, higher values increase variation. Set a sensible maximum length so responses don't run over, and add stop sequences if you want the model to halt at a specific marker. These controls help you balance cost, speed, and quality. Click OK to apply the settings and add the module to your scenario. Click Run once to test. This runs the scenario with sample or current data, so you can see how the prompt and parameters behave end-to-end. Check the generated output in the module's results. Confirm that the response matches your intent, the formatting is correct, and any placeholders resolved properly. If the tone or structure isn't right, refine the prompt or tweak parameters, then run again until you're satisfied. Finally, click Save. Give your scenario and modules meaningful names so future edits are easy. That's it. Your scenario now generates completions on demand, ready for broader testing or scheduling whenever you're ready.